You might be a little confused and maybe a little overwhelmed by seeing there's a 14-day free trial for Kajabi, or a 30-day or a 60-day or a 90-day free trial for Kajabi. What I want you to understand is that Kajabi is always offering a free trial through their website. It's a 14-day free trial that is available 24/7, 365, all the time. If you're ever seeing 60 or 90-day or 30-day free trial, typically that comes from an affiliate of Kajabi like myself. In order to be an affiliate for Kajabi, you have to be on the growth plan. And as soon as you sign up for the growth plan, you have access to the Kajabi Partners Program, which just means that you're an affiliate for Kajabi. And I made a video where I go into a lot more depth of what's entailed in the partner program. What happens is that we get notified as being affiliate partners from Kajabi that, hey, we're running a special for 90-day free trial. So promote it to your list for a temporary window, and they can take advantage of using Kajabi for 90 days using this affiliate link. So every now and then you can take advantage of a extended free trial, but it doesn't happen all the time. If you're thinking about trying out Kajabi yourself, the best way, hands down, is just to dive in, pick a free trial, and just run with it. I think waiting for a 90-day free trial, if that is you, isn't really worth it, because I'm always offering a 30-day free trial, and I know other people are as well. And I think 30 days is plenty of time to see if Kajabi is a good fit for you, assuming that people give you the right amount of support in using their link. For example, if you wanted to use my link and take advantage of a 30-day free trial rather than Kajabi's 14-day free trial, there's a link in the description where you can start that trial today. And if you're curious, there is no extra cost whatsoever if you decide to use my link versus going through Kajabi's website. They don't bump up the cost for people investing in an affiliate's link, anything like that. If you decide to sign up with Kajabi after this 30-day free trial, then I just get a small percentage of your investment in Kajabi for referring you over to Kajabi. And basically it just comes over to support me, this channel, and so I can keep showing up, stay in the game, and keep making content like this to support you in building your online business. But there are a couple extra perks if you use my link. You get the 30-day free trial, yes, and as soon as you sign up for that, you're gonna get instant access to a course I made called Kajabi Kickstart. This course walks you through how to set up and launch your online business in that first 30 days in Kajabi. It's really tempting and overwhelming if you sign up with it and you don't have some sort of guideline to walk you through what to do first, second, and third. And I've been using Kajabi for a few years now, and it's been really, really helpful in growing my online business. It's actually been paramount. So I walk you through the things that matter and the things that don't really matter, especially if you're just getting started, if you want to make money as soon as possible in Kajabi. Kajabi Kickstart breaks down the whole process into 5 simple lessons that are screen shares and super actionable, so you could just get going and start building everything out right away. On top of that, when you're inside a Kajabi Kickstart, I walk you through how to do this, but there's a link where you can book a one-to-one coaching session with me, where I'll personally sit down with you on your computer. We can screen share, dive into your Kajabi account, and I'll answer any questions you have related to Kajabi, marketing, sales, finding your business idea, niching down, whatever it is related to growing your online business. So my link is just one option if you're thinking about testing out Kajabi yourself. I highly recommend it because you do get a full course and you get a one-to-one coaching call with me on top of double the amount of time that you would normally get if you go through Kajabi's website. So if you watch my tutorials, you like the way I teach, you like the way I present, etc., and you like me, then you can always check out my link down in the description of any Kajabi video that I make, or you can just go to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. If you have any questions about using my link or just Kajabi in general, let me know in a comment below. I'd be happy to answer any and all questions that you have. I hope this was helpful and insightful for you in finding the right kind of free trial that you want to use when testing out Kajabi. Of course, I would love it to be mine because I'd love to meet you and to support you and be a part of your online business building journey. But regardless, whether you choose my link or not, Kajabi is 100% well worth it. If you could just go through their website, whatever it is that you want to do, I'd highly, highly recommend to invest in it, because it is the best tool to build your online business. They do an amazing job at not just making things super simple, but also giving you a great community to go with it and to make you feel like you're not alone in this entrepreneurial journey. And I think that's huge. Consider checking out my link down in the description, and I will see you in the next one.